Mikao Usui, born in 1865, was a spiritual seeker from a young age. His curiosity and desire to understand the deeper aspects of life led him on a unique path. He explored various teachings and practices throughout his life, delving into different philosophies and spiritual traditions from around the world. One day he embarked on a solitary retreat atop Mount Kurama, a sacred mountain in Japan known for its mystical energy and serene beauty. Usui sought enlightenment through fasting and meditation, dedicating himself to intense spiritual practices in the hope of uncovering deeper truths. On the 21st day, as the sun rose over the horizon, a profound experience changed his life forever. During his meditation, Usui was struck by a powerful energy, an overwhelming force that seemed to come from the very heart of the universe. This spiritual energy filled him with warmth and light, enveloping him in a sensation of pure love and understanding. He realized he had been given a gift, a way to heal himself and others, a method that would later be known as Reiki. This experience marked the birth of Reiki as we know it, a practice that has since spread across the globe. Usui descended the mountain, forever changed by his encounter with universal life energy, carrying with him a newfound purpose. Usui's journey exemplifies the transformative power of seeking, showing that true enlightenment often comes from within. His willingness to delve into the depths of his being led to a profound discovery, one that would touch the lives of many. This discovery continues to impact countless lives today, as people from all walks of life embrace the healing power of Reiki. Usui's legacy serves as a reminder that enlightenment can be found in unexpected places, often through deep introspection and connection with nature. His story inspires us to seek our own paths to spiritual awakening. Following his enlightenment, Usui spent years refining and systematizing his newfound abilities. He developed a method of healing that he called Usui Reiki Ryoho, meaning Usui's system of natural healing. This system focused on channeling universal life energy, known as Reiki, for healing oneself and others. Usui's system consisted of 5 core elements: precepts, symbols, techniques, treatments, and attunements. The precepts served as ethical guidelines for living a balanced and harmonious life. The symbols acted as keys to focus and enhance the flow of Reiki energy. Techniques provided practical methods for applying Reiki. Treatments involved channeling Reiki to specific areas of the body to promote healing. Attunements were, and still are, considered a sacred process. Through attunements, a Reiki master transmits the ability to channel Reiki to their students. Usui's system was designed to be simple yet profound, accessible to people from all walks of life. He believed that everyone had the potential to tap into the healing power of Reiki. One of Usui's most dedicated students was Chujiro Hayashi, a retired naval officer. Hayashi played a pivotal role in preserving and developing Usui Reiki Ryoho. He established the first Reiki clinic in Japan. There he meticulously documented treatments and their effects. This approach helped to bring a clinical perspective to the practice. Hayashi's clinic became a hub for Reiki healing and teaching. He emphasized a structured approach to Reiki, creating a system of hand positions for specific ailments. Hayashi also developed a more precise method for transmitting Reiki attunements. His contributions were instrumental in shaping the way Reiki is practiced and taught today. Hayashi's meticulous documentation and clinical approach added a layer of credibility to Reiki. His work helped to bridge the gap between traditional Eastern healing practices and Western medicine. His legacy continues to inspire Reiki practitioners to approach healing with both compassion and a scientific mindset. Hawayo Takata, a Japanese-American woman, played a crucial role in bringing Reiki to the Western world. In the early 20th century, Takata traveled to Japan seeking healing for a serious illness. She found her way to Hayashi's clinic and experienced profound relief through Reiki treatments. Impressed by the power of Reiki, Takata became Hayashi's student. She studied diligently and eventually became a Reiki master herself. In the 1930s, Takata returned to Hawaii and began teaching and practicing Reiki. She faced initial resistance but persevered, sharing Reiki with anyone who was open to receiving it. Takata adapted Reiki to suit the Western mindset, simplifying some aspects of the practice. She emphasized the spiritual aspects of Reiki, teaching that it was a gift from a higher power. Takata's dedication and perseverance paved the way for Reiki to flourish in the West. Section 5. Branches on the Reiki tree, exploring the lineages. In this section, we delve into the rich and diverse world of Reiki lineages, each with its own unique history and practices. Since Takata's time, Reiki has branched out into various lineages, each evolving and adapting to different cultural contexts and individual interpretations. Each lineage traces its roots back to Usui through a succession of teachers, creating a rich tapestry of teachings and practices that have been passed down through generations. While the core principles of Reiki remain consistent, each lineage may have its own unique interpretations, techniques, or emphasis. This allows practitioners to explore and find the methods that resonate most with them. Some popular lineages include the Usui Shiki Ryoho, Usui Tibetan Reiki, and Gendai Reiki Ho. Each of these lineages offers a distinct approach to the practice of Reiki. The Usui Shiki Ryoho is considered the closest to Usui's original teachings, preserving the traditional hand positions and techniques. This lineage emphasizes the importance of maintaining the purity of Usui's methods. Usui Tibetan Reiki incorporates Tibetan Buddhist elements such as the use of mantras and visualizations. This fusion creates a unique blend of Reiki that integrates spiritual practices from Tibetan Buddhism. Gendai Reiki Ho, developed in Japan, emphasizes a more intuitive approach to Reiki. Practitioners of this lineage focus on developing their inner guidance and adapting their techniques to the needs of each individual session. The diversity of Reiki lineages reflects the dynamic nature of this healing art. Each lineage brings its own flavor and perspective, enriching the overall practice of Reiki. As Reiki continues to evolve, new lineages will likely emerge, each offering its own unique perspective and approach. This ongoing evolution ensures that Reiki remains a living, breathing practice that can adapt to the changing needs of its practitioners. This diversity allows individuals to find the lineage that resonates most deeply with their personal beliefs and practices. Whether one is drawn to the traditional methods or more modern interpretations, there is a lineage that can support their journey in Reiki. Section 6: Reiki in the Modern World. From hospitals to homes. Reiki has gained increasing acceptance in mainstream healthcare settings. Many hospitals and clinics now offer Reiki as a complementary therapy alongside conventional medical treatments. Reiki is used to reduce stress and anxiety, alleviate pain, and promote relaxation. Beyond hospitals, Reiki has found its way into various other settings. Reiki is offered in hospices, spas, and wellness centers. People integrate Reiki into their self-care routines, using it to manage stress, promote emotional well-being, and enhance their overall health. Reiki's gentle and non-invasive nature makes it a versatile healing modality for people of all ages and backgrounds. The growing popularity of Reiki speaks to its effectiveness in addressing the needs of modern society. In a world filled with stress and uncertainty, Reiki offers a sanctuary for healing, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Its ability to complement conventional medicine and address the mind-body-spirit connection makes it a valuable tool for holistic well-being. Section 7: Reiki and Science Navigating Skepticism. Despite its growing popularity, Reiki often faces skepticism from the scientific community. The mechanisms by which Reiki works are not fully understood by Western science. Some critics argue that the benefits of Reiki can be attributed to the placebo effect. However, numerous studies suggest that Reiki can have a positive impact on physical and emotional well-being. Research has shown that Reiki can reduce pain, lower blood pressure, and alleviate anxiety. While more research is needed to fully understand how Reiki works, anecdotal evidence and preliminary studies suggest that it can be a powerful tool for healing. It is essential to approach both Reiki and scientific inquiry with an open mind. While Reiki may not yet be fully explainable by current scientific models, this does not diminish its potential benefits. As our understanding of energy medicine evolves, we may discover new ways to measure and validate the effects of Reiki. Section 8: The Future of Reiki, a Vision of Growth and Integration. The future of Reiki is bright, with continued growth and integration into various aspects of life. As we move forward, Reiki is poised to become an essential part of our daily routines, enhancing our overall well-being. As more people experience the benefits of Reiki firsthand, its popularity will likely continue to rise. The personal stories of transformation and healing will inspire others to explore this ancient practice. Reiki training will become more accessible, empowering individuals to take control of their own healing. With online courses and community workshops, learning Reiki will be within reach for many more people. We can expect to see further integration of Reiki into healthcare, education, and corporate wellness programs. This integration will help bridge the gap between traditional and alternative healing methods. Reiki's ability to foster relaxation, reduce stress, and promote well-being makes it a valuable asset in various settings. From spas to hospitals, the calming effects of Reiki will be increasingly recognized and utilized. As Reiki becomes more widely accepted, it has the potential to create a more compassionate and holistic approach to health and well-being. This shift will encourage a more balanced and integrative view of health. The future of Reiki is not merely about healing physical ailments, but also about fostering a deeper connection with ourselves, each other, and the universe. This connection will lead to a more harmonious and peaceful world. Reiki invites us to tap into the infinite source of healing energy that resides within us all. By doing so, we can unlock our true potential and embrace a life filled with love and light. As we embrace this energy, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities for healing, growth, and transformation. The journey of Reiki is one of continuous learning and expansion, guiding us towards a brighter future.